Without Draganfly, our service will be in crucial need. Drones are primary weapons in this conflict. They are supplying our military, our emergency service fighting this conflict. We have a lot of fires that need some help from the skies. We work with search and rescue operations, and this drone will provide us ability to respond to such situations. Draganfly landmine detection technology is also crucial for our deminers, because since the deliberation of Kyiv region, up to 200,000 landmines and other explosive objects were found by our deminers squad. A lot of deminer squads also work in forests, and for some situations they really need some emergency drones that can deliver the medicines for them. So we are now in the crucial need of all three technologies of Draganfly drones.